For there is one God, and one mediator who can reconcile God and humanity, the man, Christ Jesus.
Strive to live in peace with everybody, and pursue that consecration and holiness, without which no one will ever see the Lord.
With tender humility and quiet patience, always demonstrate gentleness and generous love toward one another, especially toward those who may try your patience.
Seek the Lord while you can find him. Call on him now, while he is near. Let the wicked change their ways, and banish the very thought of doing wrong. Let them turn to the Lord, that he may have mercy on them. Yes, turn to our God, for he will forgive generously.
Little children, believers, dear ones, let us not love merely in theory, with word or with tongue, giving lip service to compassion, but in action, and in truth, in practice, and in sincerity, because practical acts of love are more than words. Put on the full armor of God, for his precepts are like the splendid armor of a heavily armed soldier, so that you may be able to successfully stand up against all the schemes and the strategies and the deceits of the devil.